Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers, how are you all? Hope you are well. Today I will talk about Midea branded rice cooker. You can see that there is no electricity in this rice cooker. Now I will show you practically how it can solve easily. First I have to disconnect the electric connection. Now I will open the bottom cover of this rice cooker and you guys can see there is 3 Phillips screws. Now I am opening the Phillips screws one by one. You can see. After opening these all screws, now I have to open this back cover. After opening this back cover, you can see everything inside it. A common problem with rice cooker is that any kind of rice cooker, it has a fuse inside that. You can see this is cover. If I open this cover, I can get fuse. You can now clearly see the fuse. This fuse is destroyed if there is any kind of short circuit in this rice cooker. If you have direct connection without the fuse, then the rice cooker will work. This fuse is provided for extra safety. So now I will cut the fuse. This fuse I am cutting right now, you can see. If I cut this fuse, the machine is still run. Just have to connect this two wire. I will now connect the two side wire together, you can see. And this is fuse. I already connect this two wire and this is very simple problem for rice cooker. Now I am covering this place as it was before. You can see how I am doing this. After covering this area, I will drape this area with tape. You can see my work is already done. Now I will cover this back part. I will cover this area as it was before. So after watching this video, if you think this video is helpful for you, please kindly subscribe my channel and like the video. If you want to know anything, then comment below our video. So my work is already done, you can see. Now it's time to test. Okay, so can see finally we are success. Practically we solved this problem. So see you in a new video. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.